In this lecture, we'll know how to shift rows and columns. So for the first time, I'm showing you shifting the rows. Just you select this row, and after that, here in Mac, you see this handhold sign. Then after that, you click Shift and drag. Shift and drag, and then you can see that this row has been shifted to 17th row. So now we'll learn about how to shift columns. So here we have selected this G column. So whenever you see this handhold sign, and then you click Shift and then drag from here to here, so we can see that this column has been shifted. And now we will learn another way. So here we have clicked the cell here, and then we'll click Insert. So we can see that if you want to shift the cells or the columns or row, then you can see that you can shift the cell to the down or right. So we have selected the shifting cells down. So after clicking OK, the cell will have been shifted to the down. So if we click again to insert, and if we want to shift the cells right, then we will click here and then OK, then the cell will be shifted to the right.